So David isn't in the army. He's the youngest of 8 brothers, the runt of the litter. He's a shepherd, a nobody as far as people are concerned. And yet David is the only one willing to face this giant Goliath, this Philistine warrior. It's crazy, and the king knew it was crazy. He tells him, "You can't fight this man, you're just a youth." His brothers thought it was all big talk. They didn't believe David was serious about fighting Goliath, but David was serious. So you have to ask, what's going on here? Did David have a death wish? Where did he get this confidence? Well, the secret is in the timing of this story. You see, David fights Goliath in 1 Samuel chapter 17. And by that time, David had something no one else in the army had: a God-spoken identity. And that's because in 1 Samuel 16, God had sent the prophet Samuel to David's house in Bethlehem and anointed David as the future king of Israel. But this all happened in secret. No one knew about it except David and his family. So it wasn't a shepherd boy who fought Goliath. It was the future king of Israel. And David knew whatever happened that day, God was going to bring him through. No one else had that kind of God-spoken identity. He could not lose. Now, that doesn't mean it didn't require extreme courage on David's part. And of course, he had to have faith in what God had said about him. But no matter how those around him viewed David, God had shown him his true identity. And that was the source of the confidence and boldness David lived with. And in the same way, we need to know the identity God has spoken over us if we're going to live our faith with confidence and boldness.